Kembali pibaro. Hang nega video nga hikai fish pang kumlo ben wat ya bulu jongke. Hang putaga equation kada yau real and equal root. Baik tu jukli number 4 ongno find w of k for which the following equation has real and equal root. Komod ba nga taga given equation kadon tagi real and equal root. Tagi jukli ben kong hang tu ongno 3x square minus 5x plus 2k equal to 0. 3x square minus 5x plus 2k equal to 0. How about became pendai ban touch wa solution, okay? Solution. Kemudian given, what is the given equation? Given equation is 3x square minus 5x plus 2k equal to 0. Okay. The equation has real and equal root. Equation has real and equal root. The margin you igana kamot pideban tip bagane kamot in page pang u discriminant. Okay. You can mau wala daw discriminant d is greater than 0 kamot the equation has real and unequal root. Unequal root. Lalu d equal to 0 kamot the root are the equation has real and equal root. If d is less than 0, the equation has no real root. Okay. Then the given equation is 3x square minus 5x plus 2k equal to 0. The comparing with the general equation, comparing with the general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have a equal how much? A equal 3, b equal to minus 5, and c equal to 2k. Okay, 2k. The hedging click on the equation has real and equal root. Okay. Since the equation has real and equal root, then d will be equal to how much? What is the value of d? D equal to 0. Okay. Implies what is the formula for d? D equal to b square minus 4ac. And it should be equal to 0. Implies b. How much is the value of b? Lebih panjang na. Value yang b lebih panjang na dayu minus 5. Kemudian minus 5 square. Nanti 1 so the formula minus. Nanti 4 multiply a. A udah yu 3. Kelihatan lebih panjang na. Multiply c. C dayu 2k. And this will be equal to 0. Implies minus 5 square will become 25. Then minus 4 to 3 is 12. It's 12. Then 2 into 12 will become 24k. And it will be equal to 0. Implies you to the left hand side you write only this minus 24k and equal to this 25 carry to this will become minus 25. This minus and this minus will be cancelled. So k only equal to 25. Carry this one hanya dari 24 multiply k. Till the raj nekala hanya dan multiply raj nekala divide. So 25 by 24. 25 by 24. So now we have value of k. So this is the answer. Tentang pipe yang sekarang jengkeli number 2. Number 2, 4 of 2 gong no. Given equation is 4x square plus kx plus 9 equal to 0. Okay. solution given equation is 4x square plus kx plus 9 equal to 0. So here comparing with the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Kemudian dalam kam thọ should to room lấy should thọ here a equal to a equal to 4, b equal to k, and c equal to 9. Okay. Từ cái jingkli, mà đây dụ jingkli của một ông nó, the given equation has real and equal root. So since the given equation has real and equal root, then the discriminant equal to 0. Implies discriminant is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Okay. The next step pada pinpoint value chúng kita a, b and c. b di cái nó đều k. The b square cộng 1k square minus 4 multiply dầu a hằng equation đấy 4. Tăng ta multiply c. C cái equation apa yang teh đều kandai equal to 0. Tekan do komod dari baju berkadang na. Tempat implies datang k square terakoi berkoi yang tem minus hete komod kelas plus komod equal 4 into 9. Okay. This implies tang k only equal to no don't channel the square komod yang square rational kelas square root yang 4 waduh kandai. And this will be equal to k equal to tengah kemudian semi square root yang 4 yang now 4 yang bajong now kandai. The square root yang 4 kemudian 2. Again square root yang 4 root 2. And square root of this 9 is 3. So implies k equal to 2 multiplied 2 is 4. 4 to 3 is 12. So that is the answer. The value yang k hang na kemudian 12. The cái xong cả chừng kali cần hoàn cũng nơi cái chừng khánh rồi cả cùng bộ yên discriminant của một phê bán bộ từ hàng video ngắn bên đi từ cái này artli cái example từ sa cái video ngắn sa ai cái way come long cái chừng khánh của bạn khám khám giờ rồi từ tăng công này khúc lấy shipun